Hey guys, and welcome. This is Robert, inventor of the Car Armor Hail Protection System. Today we're going to do the application on a larger size vehicle. Today we have a Ford F-150 quad cab 4-door, and it's a Triton. So what we want to do is set the stopwatch here just to see kind of idea of what the timing is. This is a non-powered application, so you can take it anywhere, use it easily. Easy on, easy off. Once you get it out of the package, weighs roughly about 22 pounds. Unroll it. So one size fits all. Once you have it centered, open the flap. What you'll find is putting the front base over the grill and lights. First part, that's going to keep everything in the front safe. Got suction cups all over the car that hold on to the body, the windows, everything else. Once you finish putting the application, (1 minute 35 seconds), that's with narration. So again, when hail comes in fast, storms, you need something that can be put on really quick. This is water resistant, shock impact resistant. It's great for summertime, keeping your cars cooler, but most importantly, what you'll find is it just keeps your car safe. It's held on by 2-inch suction cups. Let's see if we can have a look here. So these go on the body. It's as simple as putting the suction cup on when you're going to relieve it off here. Wind resistant. The whole product is pretty just a great product. It keeps your car safe. When hailstorms are coming, and they come every year, you can have a 2-car garage, and if you're like me, I have so much stuff in my garage that I can only squeeze 1 car. So of course I have all my cars protected with this. Look us up on YouTube or on the website down below. Thank you. See you guys later.